MX24 TV, this is MX Live. Very happy to be here. Wonderful week. I mean, the sun is out. You know, everybody in the studio is happy because we're enjoying some new music there. Shout out to Medical and B-Strap on them. And please go on YouTube, go on, all the streaming platforms. Let's support them as much as we can. Send us messages, MX24 TV, every single platform. Hashtags MX Live. I'm your host, Jason LA. Very, very happy to be here. And today we're getting straight into it because we're kicking off with Silverbird. And you know them, they always have surprises. We'll be right back. And just like that, we're back. I got a message, I think, yesterday. A couple of times I get these messages. Oh, is it live? Are you really on air? Yes, this is happening in real time. So everything we say, please send us messages. We get feedback. That's why we try to respond and reply to as many messages as we can, because this show is not possible without you. So on social media, again, on X, on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere, Snapchat, MX24 TV, and the hashtag for this show is MX Live, because we have our morning shows. We have The Dish, we have Early Jam, which is coming back, live and colored. We have Broken Pen. Please support all our shows on this platform. And to a family that supports us, and we support because we enjoy everything they bring us, Silverbird Cinemas. How you doing, my brother? Hair's getting longer, man.
Yeah.
That means the money's coming. Too much money. You have my Momo number.
I miss my stylist, so I mean very soon I'll have to go to her.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she does your hair?
Yeah.
You want to give her a shout out?
Yeah, I mean, shouts to Vic.
Shouts to Vic, man. You do amazing work. You take care of our people, because our people take care of us. Silverbird.
Yeah.
How's the year been so far? 22 days in.
Yes, 22 days in. We've had some good titles. This weekend, I think we'll have the most exciting one.
Oh, what's that?
I mean, I just don't want to talk about it yet. Globally, you should see it. 97% ratings on Rotten Tomatoes. It's just fantastic. If you know names like Issa Rae, if you know Kiki Palmer, you know that they know how to bring out quality comedy, and this weekend is coming to us. 22 days, I mean, it's been a planning phase for us. There's so much that we want to bring back that would boost the experience of the movie lover in Ghana. So an activation like Monday Movie Madness is coming back. We're coming back with all the madness. Monday Movie Madness practically rewards every single customer that comes to our West Hills Mall, our Car Mall Center, to view a movie on Monday. Because practically everybody hates Mondays. There's a perception about Monday not being the coolest day in the week, and we want to make it cool. So when you purchase your tickets on Mondays, you get a free popcorn and drink, and we're bringing that back very soon.
Wow.
Every other day would be an activation day at Silverbird, so you don't have to worry about this or that. Even for our corporate people, we are likely going to bring back our corporate activation where they used to drop their complimentary cards and get huge discounts in our cinema. So it's been a whole lot of planning, and we are going to execute them pretty soon.
Last week Wednesday, I think as soon as you left, I got a couple of messages, and it was about your halls, how young creatives can, get involved in terms of ads, how corporations. So please run us through that. How we can reach out to you. Is it as simple as it sounds?
Yeah, okay. So usually when people see Silverbird, all they think about is movies.
Yeah.
But we are more than just a movie center. We are a marketplace for exhibition and also for experience. So we try our possible best to bring corporate and lifestyle customers together. So if you're a brand that identifies corporate clients as your ideal customers, Silverbird is the place to be. The movies define entertainment for people, and there's also a reward scheme for customers. Try to keep them, retain them in your business sense. So when it comes to movies, if you're defining movies, cinema in Ghana, and you don't think Silverbird, I don't know what else you can think about. And so we have so many activities in our facility that boost their visibility and also generate necessary leads for brands. So you have our on-screen advertisements. We have practically 25 to 28 showings a day for one viewing center.
Oh,
So
wow.
our car mall has 5 screens. We're still
So if you have ads on there, this is the number of times?
this is the number
the
of
fans
times,
and the audience.
yes,
Wow.
people are going to see it
Okay.
every single day.
Okay.
And so we have these available, and we want to, or we are actually planning to execute a campaign that rewards corporate entities that advertise with us with much more. So you do 3 months, we give you 1 extra month for free. And,
Okay.
And we have discount packages also aligned for brands. For Valentine's is coming. You are a brand that is thinking about rewarding your clients, and you want alternatively cheaper ways of doing this, because the cinema is an average 100 Ghana cedis. So you can purchase our movie vouchers and give these vouchers to your customers to come redeem during the Valentine's weekend, because it started on a Friday. So it means if your girls, I really wanted to be political with this, but then there are people who travel on that Friday and come back on Monday.
You know, our producer Rabna is very happy about Valentine's, so I think we need to stress a bit more.
Yeah.
If there's anything special happening, like you say, maybe discounts. You know,
so-
if you have a
so-
loved
so-
ones, can singles come? Like, we need to know all of these things.
So the fun thing about this Valentine's period is we starting on Thursday. On Thursday we have the pre-screening.
But Valentine's on a Saturday, or?
It's actually on a Friday.
Oh, it's on a Friday.
Yes.
I truly am single.
Yeah. But the Thursday we have the pre-screening for Captain America: The Brave New World, and so we don't want anybody in Ghana to be left out of the conversation. We don't want people giving you the spoilers and you downloading a version that might come with a Hindi subtitle and all. We want you to see it and appreciate it on the big screen. And so for on the 13th we are doing the pre-screening for Captain America. On the 14th,
That's his Friday.
yes, that is Friday. That is Friday. We have the couples retreat. So what we are doing is we are putting together a combo deal. We've had a whole lot of people tell us, oh, the popcorn, the big size is not big. This time we've brought the mega size. We've brought a monstrous size.
There's a bigger popcorn? And
I'm telling you.
what?
I am telling you. And so we are theming our Valentine's weekend as big enough to share. And so we are giving
that's nice.
Yes, so we are giving you items that are big enough to share, but you're sharing with the people that you love. It could be one person, it could be 2 people. I mean,
I love myself, so I guess I'm going to get a whole popcorn for like a 2-hour movie.
Yeah,
you know?
and so we've put together that package. We'll start rolling it out hopefully on Monday or Tuesday. You can make such purchases on the app, and ideally, should you make these purchases, it gives you an opportunity to win several items from us, including a 1-night stay at one of Ghana's most prestigious hotels.
Wait. How do I get into that?
Yes.
So I need the app first?
So you need to download the app. You need to make a purchase for the couple's treat.
Okay.
Yes. It comes with movie viewing for 2. There's the popcorn. There's the mega popcorn.
Okay.
There's a mega drink, and there's a surprise item. And yes,
is there a specific date to make this purchase, or is it anywhere from now to the 14th?
Okay. Yes. So we're going to start. Like I said, the opening is either on Monday or Tuesday. We are going to make this happen. So either on Monday or Tuesday, you can start making purchases on the app, and we are going to open it from that particular day all the way to the 12th or 13th of February. So you have from Monday or Tuesday till the 13th of February to make a purchase for the couple street, and it's very limited. It is very, 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 very limited.
Okay.
And so that is just for
And one couple is going to win that retreat.
It could be more.
Oh.
But then you just stand a chance to win something from Silverbird Cinemas. It's necessary that we also show love. And this is our way of just saying thank you for coming through. And I think for whatever is, we just want to make it a memorable day for at least one couple. And so you stand a chance to win a night out, include breakfast included, everything, and it's on the house. And there are several other items to win this Valentine's period with Silverbird Cinema. So all you have to do is make sure you are on our social media. It's a Silverbird Ghana everywhere. X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube also. And you can get all the information about this particular one.
Wow.
Yes. And our hall rental.
Yes.
Our halls are available for whatever you can think about. It could be a church service, it could be a seminar, it could be a product launch. It could be a press run. You could even rent our halls to play games. It's available for you. There are people who want that mega sense of entertainment. And so they want
to propose to your
games.
wife there,
yes.
having the whole space yourself.
Yes, and this Valentine's, would definitely love to have a proposal in there. Last year we had one.
Wait, it's happened before?
Yeah, last year it went super viral.
No,
it went super viral.
Bruh, single life ain't helping.
It went super viral, and I mean, Nigeria was talking about it so much. Ghana too was talking about it.
Wait, so someone rented out the hall to propose to? Oh, okay, that's nice.
And
pressure.
And just to be
Give him pressure.
And just to be corny, I mean, the team and I came out. I mean, we're thinking out loud. We've not put this into full action, but then we're thinking out loud. We want to give people a chance to appreciate their loved ones, and so we are going to do a compilation. So we have people submit at least 30 seconds videos that we're going to play on the screen before every single movie viewing, because sometimes telling them is never enough. You just need the world to know that you appreciate this person.
Okay.
And so we are going to make that possible. Anything that is going to make your vows weekend worth it, Silverbird is in a great position to make that happen. And so we have the 14th running that. And then on the 15th, we know our level 100s are in. It is the vision of our brand to make sure the average Ghanaian, and by saying the average Ghanaian, any person that walks out here has a cinema experience. And so we are coming up with the Aquaba movie night.
So 13th is the pre-screening for Captain America. 14th is for Valentine's, for those who are going to celebrate.
And on the 14th, both Ghana is making it possible for you to actually come see any movie of your choice.
Wow.
So they've actually booked halls for their customers. So all you have to do is engage with certain trivias that they are going to run on their social media. And you win tickets to see 2 movies. The popcorn is on the house.
And this is also on the 14th.
Yes, on the 14th. And Bolt is making this possible. And so there are so many things every single brand out here can do. I mean, I'm appealing to brands. You're looking for an option, an entertaining option for your customers, something that will stick with them forever. Silverbird Cinemas is that brand to do this with. And so 14th, we have the Couple Street, and then we have the Boats movie night. And then the 15th, we have the Aquaba movie night for newbies. I mean, Legon, I know, has a whole lot of level 100 settling in. Other schools are doing same, and so this is targeted towards our tertiary folks. We just want to host them one night, come and see up to 4 movies, and then just prepare yourself for the academic year. Yes. And so
that's incredible.
on the Sunday, we know it's going to be a family day. We are still planning something around that same corner for families to come around and just come have a good time. And so the Valentine's weekend, we have so much planned. And there's something for every single person in there, whether you're single, because who knows, you might meet Jason there and just who Jason.
I met my future hubby, at Silverbird. That's a wonderful story.
Yeah, that would be a wonderful story.
Yeah, and the thing is, so all this aside, we're not done. Are there any new movies coming?
For
this weekend, or it's purely Captain America?
No, so Captain America is coming on the 14th of February. And on that same day, we have one of my favorite producers, which is Kayode Kasum, also coming through with Real Love. He did this project with Timini, the bad boy. And so that too is a very beautiful one. But for this weekend, It's the movie every single person is talking about in the world. It's a movie that had a 14 million budget. Everybody looked at it like, oh, it's just two comedians. I mean, no, I mean, both of them superstars. Kiki Palmer is a superstar. If you don't know Caesar, you should go to Google and type SZA.
ZA, right?
just type it, and you find her. And they come together on a project that's it's see, comedy is back. That's all I can say. Comedy is back. Black comedy is back. It has the world talking 97% on Rotten Tomatoes.
Wow.
I mean, there are titles that you expect to hit that mark that never do. Yeah. And this is a movie that has what? Charlie, see, the trailer is going to spoil everything, and then maybe I can add
something. Okay.
I just
so,
don't know what to say again.
yeah, you know, whenever Silverbird come through, it's a handful of stuff because they're always up to so much. So let's check out this trailer that everybody seems to be talking about. We'll be right back.
I'm Kiki Palmer.
And I'm Seven.
Check out our trailer.
I'm sorry. I had to get a jump from Shamika. Then they had a checkpoint in LeBray. I had to go all the way around.
Don't forget, I have my interview at 4.
Why are you still trying to be in corporate? Do your own thing.
And what's that? Living paycheck to paycheck?
You got this, okay? You been that girl. Been that girl.
That my best friend. She a real bad
Girl, you know we getting a white.
A white person in the jungle?
I am right here if you guys ever want to have a girls' night. A little Prosecco and pals.
Child, I saw one with a cat in the stroller.
Mama rude. You paid the rent, right?
I did.
Hey, what, motherfucker? Oh, you look real alopecia today.
Do you have the rent?
Your boyfriend took our rent money and dipped.
I invested. This is our future.
Come on, man. If we don't get the rent money by 6, we're gonna be on a curb with Fabian.
You want to buy my grandma's vintage speaker?
Then your grandma just died. She ain't even in the ground yet. How we gonna make $1,500 by 6? Not to mention I got the interview at 4.
Don't do it. It's a trap.
You want a loan?
If you don't have the money this month, you're not gonna have it next month.
My credit score is currently a little... Are you having a heart attack?
I've never seen a credit score this low.
You lucky she holding me back. You lucky she holding me back. If I get this job, you and me gonna be good. For real. You don't have to live like this anymore. You got this. Alyssa, get down.
Someone threw retro Jordans up here.
How much that's worth? Be careful.
Oh my God, bitch, I thought I killed you.
We need our money. ASAP. Come on. We're talking about honey butter biscuits. And they
Answer.
First the rent, and now Lolo's trying to kill us.
We actually can pay you $70 per pint.
Okay. Take it easy on me, because news make me squeamish.
Join the club, girl. Today's my first day.
Ow, fuck!
Do we still get the money?
You find yourself struggling to procure payment funds. Here are a few useful ideas.
Please get out. Please.
Okay, so this is the trailer everybody's talking about.
Yes.
Like, I was super paying attention to that.
I wanted people to recognize the other faces. Cat Williams is in there, and
That's the OG.
yeah,
like the proper OG. I love Cat, man.
My pride in there is the black comedy. Like, it's been a minute we actually saw on the big screens. Definitely streaming. We've seen a few of
Like,
them.
it used to be a real thing, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
man.
I mean, Charlie, the world's attention is, and even though it's Ray, for me, I've loved this Ray ever since she came out with Insecure, and so this being a production of hers, I was like, I know I love it. So for me, Friday, I'll practically be in there to see it first, because I don't want nobody telling me about, oh, did you see? No, I want to see it for myself and see it over and over and over and over and over. And
Yeah.
over again.
So this is something people can look forward to.
Yeah, this weekend, yeah.
This weekend.
Yeah.
When exactly? Is it Friday or Saturday again?
No, so this is the thing about cinema. Every single release we have comes on a Friday. So cinema week starts on a Friday.
Okay.
So we have the Monday through to Sunday being the normal week. But when it comes to cinema, it is Friday.
That's a cool way for your week to start.
Yeah, so then if you visit our website or even our app, sometimes we put that disclaimer and say movies will be updated on a certain day. It means that is when the week is starting, and that is when we can confirm that we have this movie, we do not have this movie, and we can create necessary show times to align with and we always create show times with the customer in mind, because you wouldn't dare show an animation around 10 p.m. You definitely want to show it at a time where parents and their children can come around and come see it. And so there's a lot of thinking and strategies that go into all of these things when it comes to us.
Okay, so we can look forward to that. And all this information, everything we spoke about is on the app, right?
Yes. So you have to download the app, Silverbird Cinemas app, on Play Store and App Store. You can also get these show times on our website, which is www.silverbirdcinemas.com/Accra and www.silverbirdcinemas.com/West. And our box office, our sales, our business, if you're trying to show your movie at Silverbird Cinemas, we have all such contacts on the website, and you can contact us and do business with us.
Okay. Random, but we have a caller on the line. And this caller says they want a ticket.
Oh.
I'm glad Aubrey is here. You know, my boss is here, you know, to give all the answers and all the explanations as to how he or she can get a ticket. So, hello.
Yeah, hello. Jason, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing, man?
Well, I'm feeling fantastic. I'm just feeling fantastic and chilling. Like, yo, guys, you're doing a great job out there. I keep watching you each and every time. And constantly, man like Aubrey keeps coming through, showing us all the great thrillers and stuff. I want to ask, is there any way that I could get a free ticket or something? I know you guys have not opened the lines, and I'm really thankful to your producers for picking up. But hey, can I get a free ticket?
Wow.
Okay.
Aubrey, is there anything he has to do?
No. Okay, so we are bringing back Trivia Tuesdays, which will be on our social media. So you answer questions there. But just for reaching out, I think the brand would just love to put you on a treat. So just select one person in your contacts list, and let's just make it a date.
Wow, just like that?
Yeah, just like
no
that.
questions.
No questions.
He doesn't have to do anything, just for calling.
Just for showing us love, we also want to show love back.
Bro, and he said you can go with somebody else.
So I just want to bring anyone on my contact list.
Anybody.
Wow, thank you guys so much, man. Thank you.
Man,
thank you so much, man.
Do you have any shouts? Anybody want to say hi to? You're on TV, man.
Yeah. Big shout out going out to everybody inside North K in the building. You know how we do. Big shout out going out to all them guys inside Swan Lake. You know, all them guys inside Kalishi. Big shout out. Charlie, LA, you large up, man.
Thank you. Please stay on the line. My producer's going to take your details, and just like that, he's won a ticket.
Yeah.
You guys are really nice people. No, I hear Silverbird, you know, they're cool, they're nice. This is proof.
I mean, feedback is necessary, and MX makes it possible for us to reach a large audience. And so when we have credible feedback like this coming through, we love it.
Nice. So when can we expect the Trivia Tuesdays? Because I'm going to be on there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to be on there. You know, you've got yourself in trouble.
I think Trivia Tuesday, it will be fun to do this with MX24.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Just reward viewers, reward patrons of the cinema. Let me just give people a pop before we start on Tuesday. The question is, what was Scar's name before he became known as Scar?
Sheesh, I haven't seen the movie.
What was his former name? Scar. What was Scar's former name?
I need to make a call, man. I need to ask. Okay, so obviously these are, you know, exciting avenues, you know, for people to enjoy and be a part of the brand. Before you do go, numbers, social media, and emails, please.
All right, so West Hills Mall is open. We are back to full operation, so you can go to West Hills Mall and see any movie of choice from Monday through to Sunday. Same as Accra Mall. We open at 10 a.m. and we close at 10 p.m. And so you can catch whatever movie is showing in the world. All you have to do is simply Google Silverbird Ghana or Silverbird West Hills, or you can type in www.silverbirdcinemas.com/Accra or www.silverbirdcinemas.com/West Hills. And our box office numbers are 0544 310-140. That's for Accra Mall, and 0544-310-133 for West Hills Mall. And if you're trying to do business with Silverbird, if you're a marketer out there, if you're a small and medium enterprise company that is trying to get your business or service in the faces, in the minds, and interacts with real lifestyle customers with real purchasing power, it's necessary that you expose your brand to people with purchasing power, and cinema lovers are such audiences. You reach out to 0544-310-138, and we can do business with you as soon as possible.
Very simple, very accessible, and very informative, as always. Thank you so much, my brother.
So much for having me.
You're going to see me there on the 14th.
You
Probably
definitely
alone.
Yeah.
But you know.
We should pair you up with someone.
Yeah.
We should pay.
I'm not opposed to this. That's why he's my friend. I do have to let him go. But, you know, again, if you want that experience with family, friends, loved ones, you know, your partner, very, very simple. Silverbird Cinemas, Accra Mall, and West Hills Mall. Very easy to find. Like you said, you can just Google them. Go on the social media pages. If you have any questions, send them a DM. You know, I have friends who send them DMs, and they reply. They can come to MX24 TV for any information you need. Like I said, I do have to let him go. But we'll be right back.